you please explain me
Sure.
something? Thank you. Please present yourself.
Sure. Hi. So this building over here, that's a smart building with all the devices and everything of the building connected to the gateway over here. And that gateway is by Intel. VMware is yeah, this shows again. So VMware is providing an open source agent called Leota, which runs on that gateway, and it collects data from all of these devices, and it sends that data to Project ICE. So right over there is the dashboard of Project ICE. So I will show you.
Is where you can actually analyze the health of the gateway.
So-
You can push some new updates onto the gateway.
The building topology can be seen right over here, so you can see various devices connected here. So if you select one of these, you'll be able to see the statistics coming from the building over here. So this is the elevator level of the building at various points in time.
And there's a
So there is also a thermostat right over here. I can show you how that works. So it sends the reading of the building's temperature over a period of time. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm using body heat to heat that thermostat. When the temperature crosses a particular threshold, Project ICE detects that the temperature has gone beyond a particular level, so probably the building is on fire, and it sends an alert to all the devices in the building. On receiving this alert, the devices, they switch from the normal mode of operation to an emergency mode. So in this emergency mode of operation, the lights will start blinking, the elevator will go to the ground floor, and the doors will remain open. So yeah, right over there, the building in the emergency mode. So that's the monitoring part. We can also do management part and everything, where say you want to push an IoT application to the device, you can do that.
we have our
Again, to go back to Project ICE, it's not only about building management, but it can be used for any of the IoT infrastructure management. So here we have a building, right behind me there is a surveillance camera. On that side we have a connected car, we have an industrial robot. Whatever your IoT infrastructure is, Project ICE can manage and monitor it and can help in extending the solution.
Okay, what's the part of VMware in this IoT challenge?
So Project ICE is our solution for managing and monitoring the IoT infrastructure. That's our unique.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
Piyush.
You work for
Piyush Masrani. Yeah.
from VMware?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. May I post this recording on
Sure.
my blog?
That I'm not sure because we have not been given any such instructions or anything. So
Okay. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.